Amazing. Unbelievable stuff. Epic. Major.
Hello and welcome back to Boo Polo channel. My name is Pascal. Today I am going to do a full review of a Bosch Blaze Pro, the GLM 16540 laser measure. I'll put a link in the description where I bought this. I bought it on Amazon, and I'm going to take you through the settings. I am going to bring it into the house, and we're going to do simple measurements, we're going to do square, we're going to do cube of a room, we are also going to do fixed point up on a wall. I'm going to show you how you calculate that from triangulation. We don't need to do anything. The software in this does it all. So it's about 4 inches long and it's about 1.5 inches wide. So it's like an old small, what they used to call Mars bar cell phone. It comes with a nice soft case that you can put onto your belt. It's got Velcro here. You can put it on your belt like this. It also comes with a lanyard. And it comes with full instructions on what to do. But I'm going to take you through them all. I'm going to show you how to set it up. I'm going to show you the different measurements it can use. It can use feet and inches only. It can use feet and metric, so point something. And it also uses meters, point up to millimeters. The scale is 1/32 of 1 inch in imperial, and in metric it is 1 millimeter. So let me take you through it now. There are buttons on it. It's very simple. There's a measuring button, there's a plus and a minus, the function button, and the on-off button, which is also a clear button if you want to clear the measurement you have in the, at present. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how we change the from metric or from feet or from inches. So we'll go into the function. We can also turn off the beep that it makes if you wanted to do it in a silent place. So I'll just turn it on first with the button. The laser automatically comes on the creeping mode. So what we're going to do first, as I said, we are going to change the settings on it. So we'll hold down the function button, and then it starts flashing, and it's flashing there on feet, okay, M feet. And then measure in feet, okay? And if you want to change that, you press a plus, and we're getting instead of 32ths of an inch or inches, it's feet and thing. I don't know who would use that, but metric feet. And then we press it again, and we get meters and millimeters. So, and then we press it again, and we go back to, we'll go to just inches, okay? And then we press it again, and we're back to normal. If you want to save it, you just press the on-off button. But we can also press function again, and we get the sound, or the sound on, or the sound off. Then we just press the on-off button, and it goes back. So the first function is we press the button, and it will turn on the laser. And as we move it, it will change, okay? The next one, if we press it again, it will hold the measurement. So we go on to the next function, and we press play, and then we press again, and it will hold that measurement no matter where you move it. The second function is square. So you will measure one measurement. You press the red one, and again, that turns on the laser. You press again, it measures, that's 9 inches. And I'm going to leave it in the same position, and then I am going to press again, and then it turns on, and then it measures the second angle, and it's giving the square feet of 0.677 square feet. So then the next function, then after we can clear that by doing this, clear it one at a time. We press the function again. As you see, it's showing a cube. So we just do the very same. We measure 4 times, we do the very same. We just measure 3 times. And the last one is the one, you can see it here with the angle. We will measure the distance along the floor from the back of the level, of this level, to the wall. And the second measurement is a point up on the wall. And we will click it then, and it will calculate the height. So that would be if you wanted to know the height of a window on a building, and you wanted to know what size ladder you wanted for it, you would have the height of the part of the building that you need to get up to safely. So here I am in the house, and it's more than 40 foot down to there. I will turn the camera around. We have two cameras here, and I will try and show you how to do just a square first, the square feet of the bottom floor here, excluding the add-on of the kitchen. Press the function again. Now, we'll turn around. It's at 0 now because we didn't do anything. And then I just press measure. And you see the light is there. And then I'll press measure again. And it's holding it. It holds the measurement. So it's 41 and 9/32s, is it? Because I have it on the second function, it holds it after I press it, and I can see it because the fractions are a little bit small on it, okay? So now I'm going to press the function again, and I'm going to do a square, okay? So I'm going to do the same here. I'm going to hold this in, and I'm going to press, and then it says measure there, okay? So I'm going to measure there. And I've got 41 and 9/16. It's a 16th different than the last time. And then I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to press the, little bit awkward here. And I press it, turns on the laser. When you have it straight and level, press it again. And then I get my measurement. 1,256 square feet. That's what I have in the ground floor of the house, which the top floor is the same. There's a little bit of a movement there where the building comes in a bit, but it's not including our kitchen and our utility here. The function button again, and then it shows the cube. So when it shows the cube, then it asks for the first measurement. So I'll go to first measurement. I will have it pointing towards you there on the camera. So we'll press it. And then we press it again to measure. And then we'll press the laser is shining down the other end of this building. And I press it to take the measurement. And then we have that. And then I will go down to the ground, and I will shine it up to the ceiling. And then measure that. 3,251 cubic feet in this room. You will use that for if you wanted to measure what size of an aircon you want. The ceilings are quite high here. They're almost 11 foot. So now I'm going to do the last function, and that last function is doing getting us. We will put a point up on the wall with a pencil. We'll rub it out afterwards before my wife gets back, and I will tell you how high that is. For the last function, you will have the triangle showing on it here like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the two measurements, the measurement along the horizontal over to the wall, and it turns on the laser, and then I'll take the measurement, which is 4 foot 7 inches and a fraction. And now I am going to try and keep it in the same place and go up to around where that line is. If I can hold my hand steady, and then I'll take a measurement. And it says that the second measurement is 7 foot 9, which looks correct from here. And on the bottom, it says 6 foot 3, and that looks 6 foot 3 to me, because I'm not 6 foot. Yeah, that looks 6 foot 3. I didn't bring a tape with me. So that's my review on the Blaze laser measure by Bosch. It's not very expensive, it's very accurate. It will be used mostly by real estate agents use them, quantity surveyors use them, and even small builders will use them as well for measuring up stuff. They are very, very accurate. I'll put a link in the description where I bought this. I bought it on Amazon, and thank you very much for watching. If you like this video or any of our other videos, please subscribe.